This coordinate right here seems off by a few degrees.
It aligns with the revised harbor schematic, though.
Let's verify the depth measurements before we proceed.
This section here isn't aligned correctly.
Okay, get the team over here to adjust it before the next pour.
Bring it down slowly. Watch your hands on the left. Clear on this side, keep coming down. Keep it steady, bring the next one up. Lower it easy, watch the alignment. We've got it, set the clamps. Clear up top. Okay, pull left, easy now.
Slack on the starboard line.
We're connected, secure the bollard. Okay, pull it back now. All right, moving to the next one. All right, bring it left, slow down. Got the line, pulling it now. right, lower it slowly now. Copy that, watching the alignment. Tension on the lines, watch the swing. Back clear, keep it steady. Hold it right there. A foot lower, easy, easy. Okay, set it down. Lower it slowly, watch the alignment. All right, lock it down.
Keep that roller tight on the edge there.
All right, I've got the cut ready.
Watch the bottom right, careful now.
Got it. Just a little more to the left.
Perfect, set it down easy. All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it, watch the edge there. Watch the left side.
Okay, secure it now. Bring the next one over here.
Watch the starboard side, clear on the deck. All right, set her down right there. That one's secure. Let's get the next section fitted before lunch. All right, team, let's get this unloaded.
I'll take the first flat of lavender over to the east side.
We'll start moving the soil bags now.
Ponlo aquí, con cuidado.
Necesito más tierra.
Okay, bring it down slowly on the east side. Watch the alignment on pillar 4. Clear below, keep coming down.
Watch the alignment on the upper joint.
It's in position, engaging the suction lock.
The schematics show this line connecting to the main reservoir.
Yeah, I'm adjusting the valve now.
That's the last one secured. Looks perfect.
Yeah, the client will love the color.
Keep it steady. I'm almost done with this clip.
Okay, rolling it out now.
Perfect. It looks good.
Look at the energy output here. It's stable now.
Yes, the update seems to have fixed the fluctuation. Logging the results.
Pressure stabilized at 40 psi. Looks good.
All right, noted. System holding steady. Let's move to the next section.
Make sure you cover the joints properly.
Bring up the next bucket of sealant.
Okay, tilt it up. I got it. Just a little higher.
Watch the frame.
Okay, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Got it. Watch your feet.
Inserting test payload. Telemetry confirms rapid descent.
Received and sorted. Test successful.
Docking speed and alignment are optimal.
Power draw is steady. Looks like a success.
That must be the central biosphere. The air quality readings are fluctuating slightly.
I see it. Let's prioritize inspection of the atmospheric regulators.
The starboard side is still listing slightly.
Adjusting the flow now. How's that look?
Perfect. We're level at 0.
Look at that view. It's incredible.
It really is beautiful up here. Yeah. Can we go swimming now, Dad?
Look at this sudden increase in the algae bloom indicator here.
I see it. It correlates directly with the pH drop we observed an hour ago.
I'm so glad we decided to meet up here.
Me too. The atmosphere is just incredible. Okay, pushing off now. I'm right behind you. Wait for me, guys. This one's heavy. To the most beautiful view I've ever seen.
Cheers to that, darling. It's perfect.